Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today in my kitchen I've made spicy and tangy fish pickle. No need of any side dish for the rice and curry, just have with this fish pickle, it tastes divine. Let's start. You need 1 kg of fish. I have taken tuna fish, but you can take any fish which has good meat and cut them into medium size or small size, it's your choice. To marinate the fish, you need 3 tablespoons of normal chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 pinch of roasted and powdered fenugreek, that is uluva, and 2 pinch of ing, that is asafetida, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add little water and make a fine paste. There should be no water in a fish. Always keep it in a strainer for 15 to 20 minutes. This will help the masala to be well coated on the fish. Now keep this marinated fish in a refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour. To fry, I am using sunflower oil. After an hour, you have to deep fry the fish. Don't burn the fish while deep frying or it becomes very hard. You can check fish fry is well coated and perfectly fried. I am frying the next batch. A beautiful fish fry is ready. Now keep it aside. The next step. In a bowl, add 2½ tablespoons of normal chili powder. You can add chili powder according to your spice. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon of roasted fenugreek, that is uluva, 1/2 teaspoon of ing, that is asafetida. Add water and make a paste. Here I am adding 5 tablespoons of sesame oil, that is till oil or gingerly oil. This will add good flavor to the pickle. And add 3 to 4 tablespoons of used oil. When oil becomes medium hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek, that is uluva, and 2 dry red chilli. When it splutters, add 20 big garlic cloves chopped and 1½ inch ginger chopped. After adding garlic, immediately stir with the spoon. Garlic can burn easily. Fry the garlic in low flame for 6 to 7 minutes. When garlic becomes crisp and slightly light brown color, add 6 green chilli and 2 strands of curry leaves. Saute it for a minute. Then add a chilli paste we made. Saute it for 5 minutes in a low flame. After 5 minutes, add vinegar. I'm adding 3/4 cup of vinegar, but you can add less or more according to the tanginess of your vinegar. Here I am adding 1½ cup of hot water. Here 1 cup measures 1½ cup. 3 teaspoons of salt. If you need a good gravy for a pickle, it's better to add 3 cups of hot water. I will show you why further in this video. Vinegar has to boil for 5 minutes, otherwise the pickle will get spoiled. Now add the fried fish. Boil it for 10 minutes in low flame or medium low flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. You can check the gravy is reduced, so I'm adding 1½ cup of hot water. Add water according to the gravy you want. Now check the flavor. If you need salt or vinegar, or if you want to add oil, add it now and boil it for few minutes. The gravy should be above the fish or at the same level of the fish so that it's not get spoiled. Beautiful and delicious fish pickle is ready. If you like the recipes I'm sharing, please do consider to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.